Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and I just wanted to do a quick video and show you how to order the home COVID tests that you do with a healthcare provider on a video phone call with you that Princess accepts, and so does Royal Caribbean for the negative COVID test that is required within 2 days. And I would add also with Norwegian, if you show up with a negative COVID test and you get tested at the port and you're positive, if you've got that negative COVID test done within 2 days, Norwegian will give your money back. If you don't, they won't. So right here, see, we have come to princess.com. I am not logged into Princess or anything. And see right here where it says health protocols, we're going to click right there. And on the next page, since we're sailing from the United States, we just click right here. And it brings us to this page. It's the Cruise Health FAQ, and you just scroll down and see where you see the word updated. It says, where can I get a viral COVID-19 test near me? You just click on that, and it right here, you see it talks about where Princess has also partnered with Optum. And then right here it says, order your test kit online. That is a link. So you click on that, and it just brings right here. Now, these are the COVID home tests. They are the only ones. They're made by Abbott, the Binax Now. And I want to point out that it says there is a nationwide short supply of COVID antigen tests. Therefore, your test kit may expire as soon as December 21st, 2021. Now, in addition to that note, it says, based on additional studies, the FDA has granted a 3-month extension to all lots. So, expiration extension, I should say. And so if you get one and it expires December 21st, just remember you have until, let's see, January, February, March 21st of 2021 to use it. And so if you have expiration dates after that, just remember to add the 3-month expiration extension to those. So that's really nice. So they're available longer. Now we are going to go ahead, and I want to get 4 because we've got that upcoming cruise on October 16th. So we need to test on the 14th. And I want to have, which is the 2 days before, within the 2 days required for the testing. And sorry, I had selected 4 because I was thinking I wanted 4 tests, but they come in a 2-pack. So I just need 2 2-packs. And so when you click on that, it shows you can buy it. So you proceed to checkout. And so I do not have an Optum account, so I'm going to check out as a guest. And so I will go ahead and check out. I'll go ahead and put in the information like our shipping and credit card and everything to pay, and then I will be right back. Alrighty, and so over on the left-hand side of my screen, it says, thank you, Allison, your order is confirmed, and it has all the billing information. Over here, you can see that your total for the 4 tests will be $149.99, and today is Monday, October 4th, and it says the estimated delivery date range is October 5th through the 6th. And it shows the shipping method is expedited 1 to 2 days, and that was at 0 extra cost. It didn't cost anything extra for that. And so I will let you all know how quickly that comes. And I know this is just a short, quick video, but I thought it might help some people out there who are wondering how to do it and how smooth it is. And it looks like it is such a smooth procedure so far. So I will update you, and then we're going to do another video. We're going to do another video when we do the test so that you can see how it works and we will just walk you through it with us. So thank you so much for watching. If you appreciate this, would you please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up? We sure appreciate it. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye.